This video reviews Softbank Group's first quarter financial results for the period from April to June 2025. Softbank Group is a Japanese investment holding company. In recent years, it has been focusing more on AI and semiconductor-related investments, including stakes in ARM, Ampere, and OpenAI. Softbank Corp, a Japanese telecommunications and IT services company, is one of Softbank Group's subsidiaries. Net asset value is the value of all a fund's assets minus its debts. It has increased to 29.6 trillion yen as of August 6. The growth in ARM's value has significantly boosted the overall NAV, highlighting its important role in the company's portfolio. First quarter highlights. First quarter net income was 421.8 billion yen, which represents an increase of 596.1 billion yen compared to the same period last year. Net asset value rose to 32.4 trillion yen, up 6.7 trillion yen from the previous quarter, mainly due to strong performance of ARM shares. Loan-to-value improved to 17%, a decrease of 1 percentage point from the previous quarter. Softbank's cash position increased to 3.7 trillion yen, up 0.3 trillion yen quarter-on-quarter, despite making large-scale investments. Softbank also stated that it aims to pursue a NAV growth with ARM and OpenAI as its two main growth drivers. First quarter consolidated results. Net sales were 1,820.3 billion yen, an increase of 108.6 billion yen year-on-year. Gains and losses on investments decreased, but income before income tax rose sharply. Net income was 421.8 billion yen, which is 596.1 billion yen higher than the net loss of 174.3 billion yen recorded in the same period last year. Softbank Group is an investment company, and because its outlook is difficult to predict, it usually does not disclose forecasts. It was an overall good first quarter result. Softbank Vision Fund's gain-loss on investments. First quarter gains on investments were driven mainly by strong performance and valuation increases in key portfolio companies of both SVF1 and SVF2. Although there have been periods of losses in the past, this quarter was good. Additionally, Apollo Global Management increased its loan to Softbank Vision Fund to $5.4 billion in August 2025. This loan provides significant financial support. IPO in the first quarter. Two Softbank portfolio companies, neobank Chime and investing platform eToro, went public on Nasdaq. SVF is steadily making progress with its IPO. PayPay's number of registered users. PayPay is an online payment platform to send and receive money securely over the internet. As of July 15, 2025, PayPay reached 70 million registered users. This means more than half of Japan's total population are PayPay users. And now PayPay is actively preparing for a US IPO, possibly in late 2025. ARM's revenue. In the first quarter, total revenue increased significantly compared to the previous year, with royalty revenue rising by 25% year-on-year. License and other revenue also showed growth, indicating both an expanding customer base and higher demand for ARM's technologies. ARM's operating income for the quarter decreased by 8% year-on-year. ARM significantly boosted its research and development investment, resulting in a $142 million decrease. This increase reflects ARM's strategy to accelerate sustainable growth through innovation. ARM's expanding shares in the cloud computing market. ARM estimates that about 50% of all new server chips shipped to top hyperscalers in 2025 will be ARM-based, and more than 70,000 companies are running cloud workloads on ARM architecture. This underscores ARM's growing influence beyond mobile devices into data centers and cloud infrastructure. OpenAI. Well-known OpenAI is an AI research and deployment company, best known for ChatGPT. Softbank Group is OpenAI's official partner in Japan, helping to promote and expand the use of its AI technologies in the Japanese market. Softbank will invest $40 billion in OpenAI to strengthen their partnership, gain priority access to new AI capabilities, and expand joint business opportunities. Weekly active users of ChatGPT, indicating steady growth since its launch. ChatGPT had reached around 700 million weekly active users worldwide, reflecting its strong adoption and sustained engagement across different regions. OpenAI achieved $12 billion in annual recurring revenue in just about 2.5 years after the ChatGPT launch, driven by strong demand for ChatGPT and enterprise services. ChatGPT Agent. OpenAI has developed intelligent agents powered by ChatGPT that can perform tasks autonomously or assist users more interactively. These agents can understand complex instructions, interact with other systems or APIs, and help with various activities like scheduling, research, or data analysis. Softbank Group completed its share repurchase program, buying back 3% of outstanding shares, though not reaching the original maximum 500 billion yen target. Softbank Group says share repurchase ended as the share price rose to a certain level already. The Stargate project is an ongoing massive AI data center plan by SoftBank, OpenAI, and partners. It could reach $500 billion, starting with $100 billion. SoftBank bought an Ohio plant for it, with construction underway but some delays. Masayoshi Son, CEO of SoftBank, aims to make the company the leading provider of ASI, artificial superintelligence, by leveraging ARM's chip technology, OpenAI's ChatGPT, and global partnerships to deliver safe, transformative AI that surpasses human intelligence. Stock price. This is the Japanese yen base chart for the last 1 year. The Japanese yen stock price is 14,825 yen as of August 12th, and the US dollar stock price is $47.11 as of August 11. The stock price had been rising steadily recently, and after this earnings announcement, it surged again, exceeding 14,000 yen. Current PBR is 1.89 and dividend yield is 0.30%. Estimated PER 99 based on previous EPS. Compared to past PBR, PER, and dividend yield levels, the current stock price is much higher. The sharp recent rise reflects strong expectations for SoftBank Group's AI investments. Conclusion. SoftBank posted a strong first quarter, driven by ARM's gains and Vision Fund performance. PayPay is preparing for a U.S. listing, ARM is expanding in cloud computing, and OpenAI has become a key partner through a major investment. The Stargate project is also advancing as part of SoftBank's drive toward artificial superintelligence.